Hi friends, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. Today I'm sharing with you how to dice, spice, and roast sweet potatoes. We love sweet potatoes. We eat them multiple times a week. They are super versatile, they're delicious, and very nutritious. Sweet potatoes contain lots of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, and we love to dice them, add some seasoning, pop them in the oven, roast them so they get nice and toasty, and add them to so many dishes, such as tacos, burritos, beans, rice, and veggie bowls, top on a salad. The sky's the limit. Here's how you make diced, spiced, and roasted sweet potatoes. To make the roasted sweet potatoes, you will need sweet potatoes, of course, and I'm using one large potato today, which will yield about 2 or 3 cups of diced potato. Today I'm using the following spices. Although you can roast with oil and go spice-free, this option adds a lot of flavor. I have 1/4 teaspoon of each salt, paprika, cumin, onion, and garlic powder. Next, I recommend a high smoke point cooking oil. I'm using 2 teaspoons of unrefined coconut oil. Since potatoes are grown in the dirt, you will want to give them a good rinse and scrub. Then chop the potato up in small pieces about 1/2 inch in size. Even-sized potatoes will help them cook evenly and reduce the risk of burnt pieces. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Because my cooking oil is still solid, I'm going to simply add a dollop on top and toss the baking sheet in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes to melt the oil. Then I will bring the potatoes back out and stir the oil around to evenly coat, and then add my spices. Now back in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. When they are done roasting, they will be soft and toasted but not burnt. If you feel they are becoming too dark but are still firm to the touch, simply turn off the oven and let them sit in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. One of my favorite ways to enjoy spiced and roasted sweet potatoes is on top of a salad with roasted chickpeas, sliced avocado, a creamy lemon tahini dressing, cilantro, and hemp hearts. Our lemon tahini dressing recipe is on the blog, and I will also link it below for you. What is your favorite way to enjoy sweet potatoes? I would love to know, so share with us in the comments below. I hope that you will give this recipe a try. They're so simple and delicious and full of nutrition. For the step-by-step instructions, head to our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com, and there's a link below in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so we know to make more videos just like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!